Hello. Can we drive out demons even though we are not exorcists? The answer is yes, absolutely. In what way? Let me give you two examples. When I attended a seminar/retreat on exorcism in 2022 in Silang, Cavite, our facilitator, who is an exorcist in America, showed us a video of an actual deliverance session. In the video, the exorcist asked the devil, "What are your entry points?" From the devil's mouth, listen, take note. He said, "Any of these three: fear, unforgiveness, hatred." Actually, that's true. Because many years ago, in one of our diocesan schools, 100 high school students were possessed by evil spirits. So, the exorcist asked for help from other priests. One of them shared his experience. He was assigned to a young girl who was also possessed by an evil spirit. But he was so confused because he already finished praying all the prayers available in that deliverance book. But the devil did not leave the young girl's body. The devil remained in the young girl's body. He was so confused. Why? And you know what? Few minutes later, the mother of the child came and she was crying, and she knelt before her child and she said, "Anak, I am sorry from the bottom of my heart. I am sorry." So the priest asked the mother, "Why are you asking for forgiveness?" The mother said, "Before she left for school, Father, we had a quarrel and I had this grudge and hate in my heart this morning. My dear daughter, I'm sorry. I'm sorry." And you know what? The child slept in peace. What do we mean by that? The devil left her because there was forgiveness happening between the two of them. That's it. That answers the question. If we let peace, humility, forgiveness, kindness reign in our hearts at home. Okay? God bless you.